Did you know that Mark Cuban became a millionaire by the age of 25? Join me as I dive into the secrets behind what made him a millionaire so young, and see if I can apply those lessons to my own life. Today we're talking about Mark Cuban, the self-made billionaire known for his time on Shark Tank and his ownership of the Dallas Mavericks. But how did he amass his fortune at just 25? Back in the 1990s, becoming a millionaire by your mid-20s was no small feat. The business landscape was tough with high competition, limited access to capital, and a lot of skepticism towards young entrepreneurs. Mark was up against all of these challenges, yet he thrived. How did he do it? Mark Cuban's entrepreneurial journey started with selling garbage bags door to door. This wasn't just about making a quick buck, it was about learning the ropes of sales, understanding customer service, and the value of hard work. His next venture, Micro Solutions, was about recognizing opportunities in the budding tech sector, showing his knack for spotting trends before they became mainstream. But the real game changer came with broadcast.com. Mark and his partner saw the internet's potential for streaming media when few did. This foresight led to Yahoo buying broadcast.com for over $5 billion in stock, making Mark an instant millionaire at 25. This wasn't just luck, it was years of hustle, learning, and strategic thinking that paid off. So what can we learn from Mark Cuban's story? It's about resilience, recognizing opportunities, and relentless pursuit of knowledge. His entrepreneurial spirit, combined with his ability to adapt and learn from failures, set him on the path to success. What part of Mark's journey inspires you the most?